Hi, this is Leslie Josel, academic and parenting coach of Order Out of Chaos, and you are watching another episode of Lessons with Leslie. So I want to talk to you today about academic planners, but particularly how your student sees and manages their time. Now, in the interest of true disclosure, you need to know that my company makes academic planners, but I'm not here to sell you my planner. I'm here to make sure that your student is using the right type of planner so that they can actually see and learn how to manage their time. Let me explain. So most planners on the market, there's about two different styles. There's the to-do style and there's the grid style. And if your child is using a to-do style planner, they're not going to be able to actually learn how to plan their time. Let me show you. So this is a typical to-do style planner. Most of your students who are like in high school might get one of these on their first day, or these are very readily available in most, stores, stationery stores, or office supply stores. But they don't work. They're to-do lists. See? Look here. Let's say this student went to school on Monday, and he writes down that he has an English paper Friday and he has a math test Thursday. Okay, now maybe he was really good and actually put those due dates on the other side. But you see, look at the way this planner is set up. We've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on one side, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday on the other. But here's what happens. It's now Monday. Your child maybe sits down and gets all his work done for the next day. And because he can't see what else he might have to do, or more importantly, when he's going to have the time to do it, he thinks he's done. Put a fork in him. He's done. So Tuesday comes, he gets his work done for Tuesday, but let's say he doesn't get home till 9 o'clock at night. Maybe at soccer practice or dance or whatever it is. He's not going to sit down and do any forward work that might be due in a couple of days. Then we move on to Wednesday. Maybe grandma comes to town. You have dinner. Gets home. Now he's got to sit down and he's facing down a few hours of just regular homework. But here's what happens. He turns the page and, look what happens. We now have a math test on Thursday that your child didn't see, and he didn't really prepare for it because he didn't see any of his after-school activities. He didn't see appointments. He didn't see clubs. He didn't see sports or dance or tutors or grandma coming. So this is not going to help your child plan his time. This is not going to help your child learn time management. You see, the crux of time management is taking your to-do list, taking your appointments, or when you have time, and marrying the two. So if your student has one of these babies at home, I want you to take it, and I want you to get rid of it. And I want you to try to convince them to use a grid style planner. And let me show you that. This is a grid style. And what makes it unique, but more importantly, what makes it so that your child can see his time is two things. Number one, if you notice, the days of the week now go across the top in grid style. No Monday, Tuesday on one side, no Wednesday, Thursday on the other. The subjects are written down the side, so they always see what they have in every single subject and on what date. So if you look here for science on Monday, this student, she has a lab due on Wednesday. But if your planner does not have this on the bottom, this is where the magic happens. This is where they record what they have after school. Tutoring, dance, club. It allows them to see when. And if they can't see when, then they can't plan. And isn't that what a planner is for? To plan their time? So this student might say, I have that lab on Wednesday. My day on Monday is pretty tight. I have a lot of other work to do, but look at my Tuesday. It's pretty empty. Other than club, I don't really have much going on. So I'm going to wait and plan to get that lab done on Tuesday. So if your child does not have a planner that allows them to see when they have the time to get their stuff done, then they're not going to learn time management. Now, if you like these tips and tools and you want more of them, we have tons of them on our website. I want you to go to Order, oochaos.com. Have a look around, and I hope to see you there.